Welcome back to Reimagined Hot Wheels. We're going to have a name change. It's going to be called Reimagined Models so we can branch out and do other things and mix up the channel a bit. Alright, this collection you see in front of you, I'll show you in a few minutes. I'll show you what I've gotten so far. Got some Magic Pro Tap cutting fluid to help with the tapping of the Hot Wheels. The new 256 tap set. Going to try this out for the first time, see how it is. I do prefer the Katie, but couldn't get the Katie in time to start filming, so I will order that as well, because I don't know if this is going to be any good. What else do we got? This is not really model related, but it's going to help my lamp stay on my table. That's basically what it is. That's all it is. And we also got some new T-handles. I'm only going to use one of these, the smallest one, of course. One of these should work. I, again, could not get what I wanted in time. We got a new turntable here. Sweet. It was supposed to be felt top. Let's see if it actually is. Oh, that's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, I read the reviews and I did hear something about noise. I don't like it already. Anyway, let's see how it works. Not liking it. I like the felt top though. Alright, first up, future project is a M2 Pam Am truck. We're going to do something with this. Not quite sure yet what we're going to do, but it looked too good to pass up in the store. This is one that I made mention on the community. I'm going to turn this into like a zombie vehicle of some sorts with themed The End. If I can get some sort of decals for that, we'll see. I'm not sure if we're going to keep the body paint or strip it and redo it. But I'm still waiting for some zombies and things like that to come, so this won't be started for at least another week. This is one I'm probably going to start soon. My idea behind this is I'm going to cut them in half and make one vehicle, and it'll be some sort of apocalypse or zombie sort of vehicle. That should be pretty cool. I really like this design of these cars. They're really cool. This one I'm thinking of doing like a rusty old barn find or some sort, like a nice blue color with rust. I think that will look really cool. This is a Matchbox. These two look pretty cool. I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with these. I was gonna use them as donor cars for the wheels. I saw this and I immediately thought like a zombie collection garbage truck. That would be so cool. And once it spins around, you can see that the rear is opening rear door. So, like I said with the other project, I have some zombies coming in. They're probably 1/72 scale, but they'll work perfectly. That's gonna be really cool. That's gonna be a fun one. And here we go with the name change. These are the type of things I'm thinking of doing. Things along this line, which is primarily what my channel really is anyway. I'm going to do this 78 Dodge NPC 1/25th scale. I'm going to do it as a junker, like a guy going out and collecting junk. Sort of like my other build, the Junk Man that I did. That should be fun. This way it'll be a little larger scale. You know, it'll mix up the channel a bit. So, still going to do the Hot Wheels as you see. But maybe once a month we'll do something like this. That should be a lot of fun. I can't wait to do that. I'm going to scratch build like a washing machine, things like that for the back. That should be really cool. Alright, that's about it for this video. So as a recap, those are the things I bought that I needed to get started. Well, I got a lot of fresh ideas and some new ideas coming. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.